guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be taking out my slime gooey lab. Here it is. So we have to unbox it first. Okay, so these are the instructions for it. There is actually harmful chemicals in this. See, it even has a warning. So that's why you will need an adult helping for this one. If you actually have one of this, then you will need an adult helping. And then you will need these protective goggles and these gloves. So you actually need this instruction booklet for it. You can have many slimes if you want. But the one I'm gonna do is the flowing slime. Now, let's start. First, we're gonna add some water. Then, we're gonna add the other water. Now, we'll have to put this up first. Then, we'll have to get these two colors. Like that. I'm hoping to make pink, if you didn't already know. But any color is fine. We might make purple or something. Then we have to add 8 cups of. Then you have to stir it well. Let's stir it well. We have to stir it slowly. I bet it's gonna be purple. See, it's turning out purple. Now we have to stir it well. Look, it's turning into a baby blue. Whoa. It's turning into a great baby blue. See? Pretty nice. And also, you have to make sure you're stirring it slowly. So you have to have some patience for this one. And look, it's turning into a baby blue. If you want the same color to appear, you have to use red and blue. Now, we will keep it aside because it needs some time to turn into slime. First experiment is almost done. Now, we will go to the next experiment. So now we're going to be doing bouncy guar gum ball. This is the guar gum. To add hot water. Now add some hot water to the guar gum. Then add your favorite food coloring to it. I like this one. Now you have to stir it very well. It's turning into slime. Okay, now you have to make it into a ball. First get it out. Then make it into a ball. And by the way, this is gonna be hot. after you have it out of the bowl, then you have to make a ball out of it, just like this. See, completely out of the bowl now. See, then you have to make it into a ball, just like this. And it may stick to your gloves, but it's already in the instructions that it will stick to your gloves. The last step is to sprinkle very little guar gum into this jar. You have to toss the guar gum ball into the bowl and make sure you have a nice layer of it. Pour a very little amount of water into it. Just like that, by help of this dropper. Now you have to mix it very well. It has to be looking like this. Just like this. It has to look just like this. And you have to also put it into a ball. Like this. And now wait for 20 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now the ball is ready to be played. It should look like this. Just like this. Now this is the final look of the guar gum ball. It should be looking like this. And you can play with it. Just like this. Look at it. So much fun. One did not turn out well. Look at it. Look at this one. See? If you guys know what you have to do for this one, then comment down below in the comment section. It will be free. Hi guys! I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you want one of these, this is how you get it. It's called My Slimy Gooey Lab. And you can also read some of these things. If you want, you can pause the video. And also you can get it like this. Look at this. It has this stove, and also the slime is sticky, gooey, and of course fun.